Okay, given a by b is equal to c by d, let us say it is equal to some value k. So what is it? A by b is equal to k, or you can say a is equal to bk. Call it as equation 1. C by d is equal to k implies c is equal to dk. Call it as equation 2. Now what is invertendo? So okay, we have to start from this, right? We have to start from this and go towards other ratio concepts. So what is invertendo? Invertendo is just have to invert, as in take the reciprocal both sides. So b divided by a will be equal to what? 1 by k. If a by b is equal to k, b by a is 1 by k. Likewise, d by c is also 1 by k. So that means b by a is equal to d by c. It's nothing but swap the positions. That is, numerator and denominator, they're going to swap. B by a is equal to d by c. So if a by b is equal to c by d, b by a is equal to d by c, and this is nothing but invertendo. Okay. Next, alternando is you push c down here and make b go up here. So given a by b is equal to c by d, or given this, from this we have to go to alternando. What is alternando? So what is a by c? A by c is, coming back to equation 1, a is equal to bk and c is equal to dk from equation 2. So substituting for a and c, a by c is equal to kk gets cancelled, which is b by d. So if a by b is equal to c by d, we can infer that a by c has come down, b has gone up, is equal to b by d. That we have proved it is in the k method. That is nothing but alternando. Okay, next is componendo. For componendo, we just have to add 1 to both the sides. That is, a by b is equal to c by d. That is given. Adding the same quantity to both sides of the equation doesn't alter the equality, right? Equality. So a by b plus 1 is equal to c by d plus 1. And then you take the LCM. So a plus b divided by b is equal to c plus d divided by d, and call it as some equation 3. That is my componendo. See, what is important is the componendo, you have to remember the plus sign. I'm adding 1 both sides. In dividendo, what do I do? Same thing. I am going to start with a by b is equal to c by d. Then instead of adding 1, I minus 1, or I subtract 1 both sides. A by b minus 1 is equal to c by d minus 1. And then again I take the LCM, just like I did here, but it's with the minus sign, remember? So I get a minus b by b is equal to c minus d by d. Call it as equation 4. Now it's just that you have to divide 3 by 4 both sides. So a plus b by b divided by a minus b by b. What happens? These two terms will cancel out, right? When you do the division operation, b goes away. You're left with a plus b by a minus b on the LHS, and this side also c plus d by d and c minus d by d. So again dd gets cancelled in the denominator both the sides. So and that you would be left with c plus d by c minus d. That is nothing but componendo and dividendo. Okay, you have to divide this equation, this a plus b, by this. You're left with this one divided by this. 3 by 4. This is what is mostly used in maths and business mathematics. I hope this is clear.